boy back with another video, man. Hopping back on the G8. I gotta remove the water pump. But first we gotta get this belt off. So let's get started. Stop. Just like that. Get the belt off. Now we gotta remove these tins on the water pump. Take this off. Gotta take this little radiator hose, the two heater hoses off, and I think that's about it. So let me get my drill and get this off. All right, so we're gonna run these 6 bolts out of this water pump here. Sometimes you gotta get the tub. And pretty good. Lay that down there. Low, rest it up. Don't look that bad. Anyway, I'm gonna go up here and get the other water pump. We'll cut you back on. Alright, we got a new water pump. What we're going to do now, we're going to prepare to make sure it's the same exact one. There's our gaskets. That's the wrong one. Boom, and just like that, we got it swapped out. You see the new one on there? The reason I replaced it, because the pulley, this pulley right here on the other one, when it had that direct impact, it pushed it back and it messed it up. Anyway, but I can show you right quick. Let me show you. See how close it is on the edge? See right there? It's pushed up against that, and it's in a bind right now. So we got that. I'm gonna slap this joke on here. Snug it down a little bit. And just like that, the water pump's on there. Alright, as y'all can see, I got the car put back together. Well, you know, the core support. And it's a little wet outside. You know, the little hurricane came through, Sally. Put a little rain down and tore down my fence over there. So I gotta get that put back up. But this is something minor. But yeah, I got the whole front end put back together and I got the water pump put on, the brand new water pump, because the reason I had to replace the water pump was because this pulley right here was pushed up against the housing of the pump, and you know, it was messed up. So I know it had messed up the bearings in the pump, so it was best for me to replace it anyway. But yeah, man, you check it out. Ooh, yeah, that front end starting to look good. And I've also fixed the bumper on it. You know, the bumper was torn right in the center, and a couple more places. I fixed it. If you want to see how I repair a bumper, all you got to do is go back to one of my, I think it's one of my, the Benz, the Mercedes Benz, the S550. where I repair a bumper on there, and you can check out that video. I didn't show y'all that, and I didn't show y'all putting this back together because y'all seen me tear it down, and the tear down is just, I mean, putting it back together is just the reverse of the tear down. So I don't want to bore y'all with me putting it back together or whatever. But yeah, man, everything's on there. The radiator, new condenser, my fans. What else did I put on there? Yeah, that's it. And I gotta replace the as you can see, the cable for the hood release. See how bad it is. I got a brand new one of these. Well, not a brand new, I got a used one that I ordered off of eBay. And I'm still debating on this hood. Do I want to go back with that hood, or do I want to go back with an aftermarket hood? I don't know, man. Y'all comment down below and tell me what I need to do with it. I wanted a carbon fiber hood. I think it's a company called Maverick, but they sold out, man. They completely sold out. So it may be some of y'all out there, man, that got a GTO. I mean, not a GTO. Got a G8, you know, want to sell your hood or whatever. Hit me up down below, man. Let me know. But yeah, let me show y'all that the latch that I had got there. Oh shoot. Yeah, look. Here it is. That's the latch I got. This is the company I ordered it from right here. Yeah, man. Generator running because the power's out right now. So I said, what better time for me to jump on this thing and finish this video up. Not really finishing up because the car ain't finished. But yeah. Y'all see it, man. It's starting to pour down a little bit more, so I'm gonna get on in the house. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe to the channel. And we got pew.